my journey from being a student, learning, reading and writing, becoming who I am.
Students to present on what they were doing on the Sustainable Development Goals. Everyone got to share their unique approach to the goals. We got to learn from each other.
In a local context matters a lot, which can seem silly in international space, but it really makes a huge difference.
There's a lot of siloed agencies already doing this work without the language to talk about it. So it's not that this work isn't being done, it's that we hadn't formalized it under this UN Sustainable Development Framework.
We can come up with so many solutions, but if our intention is not matching that impact, we're not really making the progress that we need. Research shows that self-awareness is what makes us better decision makers and better leaders.
That very insightful presentation.
Looking at institutions and making them accountable, ones who aren't necessarily just member states, but contribute broadly to achieving the Sustainable Development Goals.
We had a great conversation, so we can instead be collaborating and leveraging our strengths to be connected and making sure that we're sharing those models with each other.